Welcome back to Market Pros. Let's jump right into it. All right, so here we have Atlas on FTX on the 1 hour. Basically just been moving in a sideways range. Now we have a smaller sideways range from the top side at 0.0252 to 0.248. So whichever way that breaks out of the range, I would expect it to now see if it breaks the bottom of the range. So basically, if it comes down to the bottom of this bigger range at 0.247, I would expect a break. I would expect us to get back in the bearish control zone. I would expect on the MACD us to cross the signal line to the downside. Your positive momentum is decreasing. You are below the zero line. Your RSI, you're still in the neutral median zone, but kind of just hanging on. You are below the signal line. You are below the neutral median line. So definitely pay attention to that. Your vol's printing the blue signal, which is it's the lowest it can go. So this next move is going to be big. Honestly, I think there's a bigger chance it'll break to the downside unless Bitcoin breaks to the upside. So let's move on to Polis. All right, so here we got Polis on FTX on the 1 hour. We have been trending sideways and a little bit down. RSI, neutral median zone. Above the neutral median line, above the signal line. MACD. Pretty fresh cross to the downside, but it looks like we're coming back up. If we come back up and retest and resume down, that's not going to look good. But if we can cross this, get back above the zero line, and start printing dark green bars on this histogram, that'll look very good. So negative momentum is decreasing. Your vol is in the upper zone now. As you did get this crazy wick, just like here. I mean, these crazy wicks on Polis are just, it blows my mind. So a lot of times when this happens, I mean, you're either going to get a backfill, but more than likely you're going to go down. So I would at least expect a test of the 100 1 hour moving average at 153. And if we get back into the bearish control zone and cross this signal line, as the MACD gets rejected, as the vol continues to head up, I would expect us to come back down to 147. If we break 147, the next spot would be 135. Now, validation to the upside would be to break 157 on a 1 hour closure. Then after that, I would expect a backfill of this candle all the way up to 167 region. So yeah, those are my thoughts for Polis. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to the channel. It's a free way to support the channel. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.